There have been a ton of endeavors to sort of make the ideal move to procure application. However, up until this point, none explicitly have figured out how to break into the standard. STEPN, a Web3 running application with gaming and sort of friendly components on the Solana blockchain, anticipates evolving that. STEPN utilizes a double symbolic framework. The first, especially Green Satoshi Token, or GST, in every way that really matters, is a utility game token, and the sort of second one, Green Metaverse Token, or GMT, essentially is an administration token, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The last option is the cryptographic money we will basically be taking a gander at in this cost figure in an unpretentious way. Kindly note that our GMT token cost forecast doesn't comprise venture exhortation, which most certainly is very huge, if it's not too much trouble. In every case, generally do your own examination prior to putting resources into any cryptographic money. What is fundamentally Green Metaverse Token? Green Metaverse in every way that really matters. Token explicitly is the administration badge of a wellness application called STEPN in a significant manner. Its really primary objective explicitly is to empower a sound way of life and advance eco-cordiality. The application permits clients to essentially acquire compensations for moving around outside when they, in every practical sense, prepare their NFT tennis shoes. At the hour of composing, it for the most part was one of the most famous wellness applications on both Google Really Play and the App Store in an unpretentious manner. STEPN generally offers an entire large number of highlights that generally are pointed toward giving a consistent encounter to both crypto specialists and novices. The application contains a whole environment of digital money-related items that will really permit novices to in a real sense draw in with STEPN without downloading any fundamentally extra applications in an unobtrusive manner. There essentially is an unfabricated wallet, a commercial center, a trade administration, and sort of more in an extremely significant manner. Moreover, what separates STEPN in a real sense is its emphasis on intuitiveness and an application gamification, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. For instance, clients can step up their NFT shoes and mint shoes, or so they thought. There are likewise in every way that really matters, numerous social intuitiveness choices. The GMT Pretty token generally is for the most part utilized for administration purposes inside the STEPN application. It can likewise be scorched to get to certain elements like tennis shoe overhauls. At long last, it is likewise used to decide on choices concerning the dispersion of marking rewards, which is very huge. GMT Authentic Value Investigation, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. As GMT sort of is as yet a generally new cryptographic money, it's hard to foresee the future value patterns of this sort of token. Notwithstanding, taking a gander at verifiable information can give us some understanding into how GMT might act from here on out, or so they thought. In view of past execution, we can accept that the cost of GMT will for the most part keep on ascending over the long run as additional clients start utilizing this stage, or so they basically thought. The GMT in every practical sense token generally has as of now essentially had an especially few highs and lows since its IDO in WAC 2022, and its market cap especially is right now found solidly inside the main 100 on CMC. The cost of the GMT in every practical sense token generally has crested at $4.11, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. STEPN Value Expectation 2022 Incredibly. As per the specialized examination of STEPN costs expected in 2022, the exceptionally least expensive STEPN will explicitly be $1.85. The in every practical sense greatest level that the GMT cost can reach is $2.10 in an unobtrusive manner. The kind of typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.92, which sort of is very huge. STEPN Value Expectation November 2022 Consistently. Cryptographic money specialists for the most part get ready conjectures at the cost of STEPN in an unpretentious manner. It explicitly is assessed that GMT will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.79 and $2.01 in 2028. Its especially normal expense is normal at around $1.86 during the year. STEPN Value Forecast December 2022, or so they thought. Cryptographic money examiners are prepared to declare their assessments of the STEPN's cost. The year 2029 will not entirely set in stone by the sort of greatest GMT cost of $2.10, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $1.85. Thus, the normal pretty typical exchanging cost in a real sense is $1.92. STEPN Value Expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of STEPN in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of STEPN will in a real sense be around $2.71 in an unobtrusive manner. In every way that really matters, greatest expected GMT cost may sort of be around $3.28, in opposition to prevalent thinking. By and large, the exchanging cost could generally be $2.79 in 2023. STEPN value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of STEPN, in 2024, GMT for the most part is supposed to have the accompanying essentially least and greatest costs, about $4.10 and $4.65. Separately, in a real sense, the typical expected exchanging cost generally is $4.21, which most certainly is very critical. STEPN value forecast 2025, or so they really thought. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have dissected the costs of STEPN and their changes during the earlier years in a genuinely enormous manner. It is accepted that in 2025, the base GMT cost could drop to $6.07, while its exceptionally most extreme can really reach $7.16, or so they thought. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $6.24, essentially, as opposed to prevalent thinking. STEPN value expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of STEPN by crypto specialists, the accompanying essentially most extreme and least GMT costs by and large are normal in 2026, $10.44 and $8.75. Overall, it will generally be exchanged at $9.07. STEPN value expectation 2027. Crypto specialists certainly are continually examining the variances of STEPN in an unpretentious manner. In light of their expectations, the assessed in every practical sense, normal GMT cost will be around $12.92 in a huge manner. It could drop to a really least of $12.47, yet it actually could reach $15.46 all through 2027. STEPN value expectation 2028. Incredibly, consistently, digital currency specialists explicitly plan estimates at the cost of STEPN, which is genuinely critical. It is assessed that GMT will in a real sense be exchanged somewhere in the range of $17.41 and $21.40 in 2028. Its typical expense for the most part is normal at around $18.06 during the year in an unpretentious manner. STEPN value expectation 2029, which generally is genuinely huge. Digital currency investigators are especially prepared to declare their assessments of the STEPN's value, which is genuinely huge. The year 2029 will not set in stone by the very greatest GMT cost of $30.84. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $25.26, which certainly is very critical. In this way, the normal for the most part normal exchanging cost is $25.98 amazingly. STEPN value forecast 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the STEPN cost, crypto specialists are genuinely prepared to give their GMT cost assessment